Ton of refrigeration. In refrigeration, all the processes are expressed in terms of the ton of refrigeration. So what is this ton of refrigeration? 1 ton of refrigeration is defined as 1 US ton ice which is to be converted into water. So for conversion, as there is phase change, so HFG is written in 1 day. In 1 day. So what is to be done? 1 US ton ice is to be converted into water at the same temperature. So the conversion is happening at 0 degrees Celsius at same temperature. So if we plot TS process on the TS, then we'll find the phase change is happening at constant temperature. This is the saturated curve. So at this point, suppose this is liquid and here vapor. So for phase change, the liquid is going to get converted into vapor, temperature is constant. Similarly, on this side, there is a solid conversion to fluid. So here also we require the latent heat process. So as per Ashray, who has designed ton of refrigeration, 1 ton of refrigeration is 1 US ton, means in kg it becomes 907 kg of ice to be converted into water. So the latent heat of melting is 335 in 1 day at same temperature, that is 0 degrees Celsius. So in 1 day there are 24 hours and in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. So if you do this calculation, you will find the answer is 3.5167. So if I round it to 1 decimal digit, so 1 ton of refrigeration is becoming 3.5 kilojoule per second, which is equal to 3.5 kilowatt. So this is the ton of refrigeration.